Hello, how are you? Today I'm going to share with you an incredible discovery of a revolutionary chatbot for your business. ConvertoBot Agencia is the artificial intelligence chatbot platform that can revolutionize your business. This AI-powered chatbot platform could revolutionize your business and help you get more sales and leads in less time. One of the main benefits of ConvertoBot Agencia is that it uses advanced artificial intelligence technology to provide a personalized experience for your customers. Studies have shown that personalized marketing leads to higher engagement and conversion rates. And ConvertoBot makes it easy to deliver personalized experiences to your audience. Trust me, ConvertoBot is a game changer. Advanced artificial intelligence technology and personalized experiences will help you connect with your customers in ways you never thought possible, and the results will be incredible. And with integration with popular marketing platforms, you can easily tailor your marketing campaigns to meet your specific goals. ConvertoBot is easy to use, and in less than 5 minutes you can start using a bot on your WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, or business website. According to the official website that is already set in the video description and also in the first comment of the video, ConvertoBot is the smartest chatbot on the internet. And the best thing is that it comes with short explanatory videos to help you configure it as it should. The ConvertoBot, both beginners and advanced users can use ConvertoBot without much trouble. If you want your business to grow, then don't hesitate to get ConvertoBot, as it will help you with your email marketing. Customizable chatbot templates make it easy to create a chatbot that perfectly fits your company's unique needs. And integration with popular marketing platforms means you can easily tailor your campaigns to meet your goals. With ConvertoBot, the possibilities are endless and the results are guaranteed. So, if you are ready, or if you still have any doubts, click on the link below on the official website that is already posted in the video description and also in the first comment of the video. Stop by to speak with support and start using ConvertoBot today and take your business to the next level. How does ConvertoBot work? ConvertoBot works with artificial intelligence to convert your visitors into customers. When potential customers visit your website, the ConvertoBot chatbot starts interacting with them, and if they like what is being offered, not only will they buy, but they will also become potential leads and purchasers for future purchases, thereby growing your company's revenue. This social media chatbot can save you a lot of time, especially if you have a lot of things to focus on. The chatbot automatically converts your website visitors into customers. It also makes you get more leads, email subscribers, provides professional customer service, converts your traffic into sales, allows visitors to register for events, allows visitors to effortlessly book appointments. Visitors can also answer your surveys effectively. The best part is that ConvertoBot can be integrated with multiple channels like Facebook, Messenger, Shopify, GoDaddy, Igloo, and WhatsApp to get you more leads. How to start using ConvertoBot? In order to use ConvertoBot effectively, there are 3 crucial steps you must follow. They include: Step 1. Build your chatbot with simple drag and drop feature provided in the platform. Alternatively, select one of the 100+ chatbot examples provided. They are easy to customize, and even if you don't know how, someone will always help you. Step 2. A link will be provided which you have to copy. The link is the code of the social media site or bot you intend to use. Step 3. Paste the code on your web page to activate the bot. If it goes to your social media page, copy the link to your bot. If you find it difficult to follow the steps above, don't worry, because the videos in the training area show how it's done. There are also images on the official page that will help clarify what you should do. To access this service, or if you still have any questions, Visit the link below in the description to speak with support. I hope this video was useful for you. And if you want to receive more content like this, don't forget to like, write, and share this video. Thanks for watching.